reception, it's Miss Hush. We are going to be doing some writing today with 4 sound words. They are words that contain 4 sounds. So we're going to need our thread fingers, 4 of them every time. Okay, and I'm going to model to you how to use your thread fingers to hear all the sounds in the word and write it down. So my first word is swim. Your turn. Swim. Swim. 4 thread fingers. I'm going to say it really slowly. I'm going to listen really carefully so I know I can hear all 4 sounds. Swim. Swim. Should we do that together? Swim. Well done. Let's write it down. What sounds did I need? And look, if I count, I should have 4 sounds that I've written down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I've written my 4 sound word correctly. The next word I've got is nest. Your turn. Nest. Nest. Remember, it's got 4 sounds, so we need 4 thread fingers. That's right. And we're going to listen really carefully. Say the word nice and slowly so we can listen out for all 4 of those sounds. Nest. Nest. You do it with me this time. Let's say the word, pinch the sounds. Nest. That's right, I pinched a sound on each of my 4 fingers so I know I heard all the sounds. What sounds do I need to spell the word nest? That's right. Let's count the sounds to check we heard all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did. So I have remembered to use my thread fingers with 4 thread fingers to write the word nest. Let's have a look at the next one. I've got a plug. Your turn. Plug. Plug. How many thread fingers do I need? That's right, 4, because we're doing 4 sound words. Let's say it really slowly again. Plug. Plug. Do it with me this time. Plug. Brilliant. Well listened. What sounds do I need to spell the word plug? Brilliant. And let's count them to check we've got the right amount again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I heard all the sounds in that 4 sound word, even though it was really tricky. We've got 1 more to do together. Okay? Jump. Your turn. Jump. Jump. How many thread fingers do I need? 4, that's right. So let's say the word really slowly and make sure we can hear all 4 sounds. Jump. Oh, that one's really quite tricky actually. Listen really carefully. Jump. Well done if you heard all 4. Let's do it together. Jump. What sounds do I need to spell the word jump? That's right. Let's count the sounds to check. We had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got all 4 sounds. So we have done these 4 words together and they all contain 4 sounds. So I needed 4 thread fingers you have got some words to do at home that all contain 4 sounds. So you need 4 fred fingers. You need to listen really carefully and say the word really slowly so that you can hear all the sounds. If you can only hear 3 sounds, go back and say it again even slower until you can hear all 4 sounds. I can't wait to see how you get on. Bye!